Let's see what's playing on YouTube today. Oh, what's this? TnBNaturals. So you want to be sponsored by TnBNaturals? What's this?
Hey, what's up, guys? Josh from TnB. Some more exciting news. So you want to be sponsored by TnB? Year 1, basically in the book.
Hey, General. What you doing? Well, I just popped on YouTube and I saw TnBNaturals is having some kind of sponsorship. Apparently, last year they had some contest where they sponsored a bunch of growers, and now this year they're doing the same thing. They say they're gonna sponsor 10 more growers, I believe it was. Yeah, so apparently they're sponsoring 10 more growers this year. And so that's gonna be 22 competing. That's pretty awesome. So are you gonna enter, sir? Well, I'm thinking about it. We do have a couple of indoor systems. We could use a little bit of enhancering. As you know, TnBNaturals is a great enhancer. Enhances the CO2 within your grow room. So maybe I will submit a video or two. Apparently I can submit more than one. So what do you think, Corporal? You think I should enter? Yeah, sir. I think you should go for it. Why not? What the hell? The mother room and the breeding room both could use a little CO2 enhancement. You know what, Corporal? You're correct. I think I should enter this contest. Why the heck not? You never know. We might earn ourselves a little enhancer for the year. So let's do it. And you know what we're going to do? If we happen to get that sponsorship, we're going to put that CO2 enhancer in our tent and our girls are gonna rock. That sounds so awesome, sir. I hope we win. Because imagine how beautiful our girls will look with a little TnB enhancer. That's right, Corporal. And then our girls will definitely help us to keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.